Lelaine and Maurits have invited you here to this beautiful place to show you a glimpse of an important piece of their love, to share with you in this celebration. For this couple, it was a love story that spanned continents. Yet despite the odds, they knew that love was their one universal truth.
Today, I choose you because you taught me to choose me. Right now, with you, is where I'm supposed to be. And with this ring, I promise to love you for all the days of my life. With the promise of my everydays, I vow to love all of your quirks and to keep your heart forever safe from fear or doubt. I vow to hold you tightly and silently through times of struggle, especially when you're unable to realize that's when you need it most. And with my life, I promise to just be here, to let you know that I will always be here. Today you are my home, our two nomadic souls. We carried empty homes on our backs, and now home is wherever I can find you.
Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. And never have I ever in my wildest dreams imagined that I could be lucky enough to get to be with someone like you. I've become me with you, through you, and by you. And this is what I vow to you today, tomorrow, and for every day for as long as I shall live. I will say good morning and good night to you regardless of where we are. Every day you will know that I'm in this with you. I will tell you how beautiful you are at every turn, at every mirror, after every long day and every short night. I will listen to you every time there is something to say, and every time there is not. I will see all who you love as being part of my inner circle and merge them with mine to make them our common core. But most of all, I will vow right here and now that this is just the start of it, that I will find new ways of saying I love you, of showing that I love you, of making you feel loved every day I get to spend with you, until there are no more days.
Will you, Lelaine and Maurits, be each other's partners from this day forward? Will you bring out the best in one another, share your happiest moments together, and love each other absolutely for the rest of this lifetime and for whatever may come next?
We will. Yes.
I take you now and for always is always now.
I take you for now and for always is always now.
Lelaine and Maurits, on behalf of all of us here present, and by the strength of your own love, I pronounce you husband and wife.